So someone just sent me this video and I need you guys to watch it real quick, then we'll talk about it. Let's go.
You're a software developer.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
Have you ever built an app?
Yes, I built an app.
Yeah? How long is it going to take you to finish developing this app? To get to an MVP?
To get to an ending, let's say 2 to 3 weeks.
Do you know what MVP means? MVP is what he asked. Do you know what it stands for?
Okay, sir, please enlighten me more.
Huh?
Please enlighten me more, sir.
Okay. So you are not a software developer.
I'm a software developer, sir.
Now, why some people might argue that as a software developer, you don't need to know what an MVP is, I strongly disagree. You need to know what an MVP is. So, what is an MVP? An MVP is an acronym. An acronym that they call them now. Yeah, I guess. It's an acronym that stands for most viable products. But then again, that is just English. MVP, most viable products. So let's break it down like we normally do. An MVP is basically the simplest version of your app or product that solves the core problems for users. It has just enough features to test your ideas in the real world. Do you get? So let me give you guys an example. Someone met me earlier to build them a VTU platform. Now, a VTU platform is a virtual top-up platform where users can go to buy time, pay bills, pay DSTV, you know, virtual top-up. Now, the MVP or the simplest version of that product might be a version where users can just come, use their card to buy airtime or buy data. You get? Now, there are so many things you might decide to add up on the app later. You might even decide to add up the ability for users to send money overseas. That one is your business. But first things, what you want to do is bring out an MVP so that you test your idea in the real world. Now, this is why an MVP is important. It is one thing to build a product, and it is another thing to market and actually get users to use that product. You want to quickly get your product into the market and get users to start using it. And once you start getting real life users to use the application, you start building the app around the users. Now, for the example of the VTU platform I gave earlier, once you launch an MVP, users will start saying, we want to be able to do this, we want to be able to do that. And they'll start dropping reviews. And you use that review to build the application. Have you gone to an application and you dropped a review and you woke up in the morning and saw that they've updated the app and implemented the review you gave? Do you know how you felt? That is how you want your users to feel. It will be like, okay, they are dropping reviews and you are updating it based off of the reviews they dropped. Do you get? So yeah, quick recap. An MVP or most viable product is the simplest version of your app or product that you deploy to the market so that you start getting real users to use your app. If you found this useful, make sure you like, repost, share with your friends, and drop your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll do it.